लेखन, निर्देशन तथा सूत्रधार रामचंद्र गांधी। नृत्य संरचना शोभना नारायण। संगीत ज्वाला प्रसाद तथा उनके सहायक है तबले पर शकील अहमद खान, पखावज तेज प्रकाश तुलसी, साइड रिदम अनुरोध जैन, ढोलक सोमदत्त, सितार अहमद अली, फ्लूट अजय, वायलिन असगर, सरोद अबरार, कीबोर्ड किशोर एवं माधव प्रसाद, विप्रोफोन माधव प्रसाद, तानपुरा शेर सिंह, गायक दीप्ति शर्मा और इंद्रायणी मुखर्जी। प्रकाश योजना दौलत राम वैद तथा उनके सहायक है रविंद्र गुलाबचंद। मंच एवं वस्त्र अर्चना शास्त्री, देविका तथा कृष्णा। चित्रकृति रामकुमार। नृत्यांगनाएं शोभना नारायण, मधुरा पाठक, आत्रेय रॉय तथा अनुपमा, रश्मि, मोनिका, पल्लवी, स्मिता और पायल। तो पेश है गांधी जी के बलिदान पर, गांधी जी की शहादत के ऊपर एक छोटा सा चिंतन। सन्मति।
जीवन के कुरुक्षेत्र में वीरता की पहचान आदिकाल से एक ही रही है, चेतना का विस्तार, सन्मति। A milestone of destiny, a moment of truth. India rises in armed revolt against British rule. Diverse traditions rally to the call of Swaraj. धरती माता हमें माफ कर दे, हम तुझे पांव से छूते हैं माता, हमें माफ कर दे। धरती माता हमें माफ कर दे, माफ कर दे। Heroic as it was, the revolt of 1857 was marred by brutality. We must learn from Gandhi not to fear truth. But isn't it also true that the uprising was crushed with even greater brutality? Yes, it was. Yes, it was. And with the presumption of racial superiority. All of India came under the British yoke. Hato, 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 Hato. Behold, behold the mighty Englishman. He rules the Indian small. Behold, behold the mighty Englishman. He rules the Indian small. The two sons and heirs of Bahadur Shah Zafar, India's last Mughal emperor, were seized and summarily executed. Zafar himself was spared, but banished to Burma, a prisoner for life. Listen, listen to the poet king's lamentation. Listen to his broken heart. He sounds like Gandhi after India's partition. Listen, listen to his broken heart.
ना किसी की आँख का नूर, ना किसी की आँख का नूर, ना किसी के दिल का करार जो किसी के काम ना आ सके, मैं वो एक मुश्त किसी की आँख का नूर।
सुनिए, सुनिए भाइयों, भाइयों बहनों, सुनिए।
मुझे सुन के कोई करेगा क्या? मैं बड़े दुखों की पुकार
शांति रखिए।
मेरा रंग रूप बिगड़ गया, मेरा यार मुझसे बिछड़ जो चमन खिज़ा से उजड़ गया, वैसे
क्या करूं? क्या करूं? क्या करूं? क्या करूं? क्या? Didi, wait a minute. Did Gandhi also then die in despair, like Zafar? He suffered the anguish of isolation, like Zafar. But he also shone with the light of a Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, and died like her. Wait a minute. Wait and see. Lakshmi Bai. Lakshmi Bai adored her adopted son, Damodar.
सुनो है कृष्ण का, सुनो है कृष्ण का।
Lakshmi Bai, you are childless. Bai, you are childless.
चंडीदास कहे चंडीदास कहे
सुना है भाइयों बहनों?
सुनो सुनो सुनो
You have no heir, Lakshmi Bai. You have no heir. Jhansi must lapse into British India. Surrender now. My adopted son is my heir. Jhansi will never surrender. I did not carry you in my womb, Damodar, but you are closer to me. You are closer to me than flesh is to itself. You are my symbol of Swaraj, my child. India's right to self-rule, to self-realization. Jai Bhavani. One day, someone will unite this land and liberate it by adopting all her children as his own. A woman, I became a warrior. A man, he will be a mother, a father, brother, sister to all. Om Ardhanarishwaraya Namah. भाइयों बहनों, सुनिए, बहादुर बनिए, नफरत छोड़िए, कुछ भी तो नहीं हुआ है। सुनिए भाइयों बहनों, सुनिए।
लड़ी मर्दानी
जनानी
भवानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
Cruel vengeance was wreaked for 1857. An old civilization became a colony of an alien empire. The Englishman's iron horse drowned the call of the Shankh and the Azan. The racial humiliation felt by Indians under British rule is pervasive. In remote Rajkot, two boys are at play. 12-year-old Mohandas and a friend, would-be avengers of the shame of 1857. Rambha the midwife says that the chanting of Ramanama banishes all fear of ghosts and thieves and snakes, and the fear of eating meat openly. Spoil sport. I will teach you a lesson for that. Eating meat is making me stronger every day. We shall overcome. We shall overcome the English. After my parents are gone, I will eat meat openly and smoke openly and steal openly and lie openly. I will urge the whole country to eat meat after my parents are gone. After my parents are gone, I will urge the whole country to eat meat. They aren't hurrying up, are they? Your mantra fails. I am afraid. I want my parents to live forever. I will be their Shravana, their legs. I will be their eyes. I will carry them to the heights of Kailash, Har Har Mahadev, and from the depths of Manasarovar I will bring renewing waters to quench their thirst. Jai Durga. India's traditions will live and let live.
Why do we have to seek the permission of our elders for everything we want to do? Why? Why?
In sheer disgust, we decided to commit suicide. We swallowed Dhatura seeds. Rambha, your mantra fails. I am afraid. I fear life, not death. I want to die. Let me die with you, Mohan. What's the use of living? We can't even smoke like the Englishman's engine. Rama, Rama, Rama. Sita Rama, Rama Rama, Rama Sita, Rama Rama, Rama. Rambha, Rambha. Mohan, Mohan, you only heard half the mantra. Hear it whole and hate no one. Didi, what is Sanmati? Sanmati is goodwill. Sat plus mati. Sanmati. Sat is truth. Sat is being. Mati is mind. Mati is meaning. Sat is heart. Mati is way. Sat is the stage. Mati is the play. Such is Sanmati. Sat 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 Sanmati sat 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 Sanmati sat 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 sat. From childhood to sagehood, from despair to martyrdom, Mohandas, servant of Krishna, danced to the rhythm of truth. 1932, London, House Swaraj was lost. A session of the Round Table Conference, designed to cause Indian delegates to go round and round and round in circles of mutual suspicion and resentment. Chala, 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 chala. Sir, please, once again. Chala, 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 chala. Smile. 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 Gandhi is isolated, but not defeated. Charlie Chaplin calls on Gandhi. I am Gandhi. I believe you are very funny, Mr. Chaplin. Chaplin, I believe you are funnier, Mr. Gandhi. I am invited to a tea party by the king this afternoon. You are not. He is not wearing enough clothes for the royal occasion. The king will be wearing enough clothes for both of us. Greed is the thief. The poor of England understood Gandhi's message and cheered him. Hooray! 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 Don't be a thief. Don't be a thief. There's enough for your need, not for your greed. Let me translate that into Sanskrit for you. Ishavasyamidam sarvam yatkincha jagatyan jagat tena tyaktena bhunjitha ma grudha kasya svidhanam. Amma rotite, Baba rotite, Amma rotite, Baba rotite. At the king's party, House Swaraj was regained. His Majesty, His Majesty, His Majesty, His Majesty. Shh. Oh no! Mr. Gandhi, I will not tolerate any further attacks on my Indian colony. Do you hear me? Your Majesty, as your guest here, I will not engage you in a controversy. In India, you too should not abuse our hospitality, if I may say so, if I may say so, if I may say so. With goodwill, Sanmati, we can dance our way to liberty. Sanmati. Mr. Gandhi, what do you think of modern civilization? It would be a good idea, Your Majesty, civilization, and not its modern travesty. Swaraj is regained. Didi, did the king really have the last laugh? Wasn't Swaraj lost when India was partitioned? Gandhi had claimed that the country would be divided over his dead body. Yet he did not fast unto death to counter the demand for partition. Why didn't he? Let us explore. Yes, why didn't he? Raghupati, why didn't he? Raghupati, why didn't he? Oh, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, why didn't he? सिया राम सन्मति दो, रुक क्यों गए? भाइयों बहनों सुनो, भारत में हिंदू और मुसलमान एक ही शरीर के हाथ और पांव हैं, एक ही दिन की सुबह और शाम, एक ही प्राण के आन और अभान है। तो ताना और बाना है एक ही चादर के। इस चादर को आग मत लगाओ, ये आग नहीं बुझेगी। इस चादर को आग मत लगाओ, ये आग नहीं बुझेगी। महासागर को क्यों ललकारते हो? धरती डूब जाएगी। सुनो, पर मेरी कौन सुनता है?
मुझे सुन के कोई करेगा क्या? मुझे सुन के कोई करेगा क्या? मैं बड़े दुखों की पुकार हूँ।
ऐ रात मुझे छुपा ले, ऐ काल मुझे भुला दे। रंभा नींद आई है, रंभा मुझे सुला दे।
सुनो है कृष्ण का नाम, सुन ले सुन ले बांसुरी वाला।
नहीं, ब्रह्मा मुझे शक्ति दे, शक्ति दे। भारत सदा अखंड रहेगा। जिद का बदला जिद से होगा। आमरण उपवास ब्रह्मास्त्र बनेगा। आग लगेगी पानी में, प्यास बढ़ेगी बदले की। भारत सदा अखंड रहेगा। बंटवारे की मांग हटेगी, नहीं बनेगा पाकिस्तान। आग लगेगी पानी में, प्यास बढ़ेगी बदले की। नहीं बनेगा पाकिस्तान, नहीं बचेगा हिंदुस्तान। दीन धर्म की लाज लुटेगी, राम नाम को आंच लगेगी। छिन जाएगी आजादी, लौट आएंगे वही फिरंगी। Behold the mighty Englishman. नहीं, क्या करूं? रंभा मुझे शांति दे, रंभा मुझे शांति दे। Remember me, Mohan? I am your childhood friend, partner in your experiment with death. Don't yield to despair, Mohan. You might succeed this time and take India with you into oblivion. There is a time for action. This is a time for restraint. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarvapapebhyo mokshayishyami ma shucha. Babu, you look tired today. Yes, my sleep was disturbed last night by a dream. I saw my childhood nurse Ramba. She had initiated me into Ramanama, and I saw a childhood playmate. He spoke in English. Namaste. बेटे, तुम मुझे मेरे हरिलाल की याद दिलाते हो। उसने मुझे कभी मार डालना नहीं चाहा, पर उसकी तरह तुम भी नहीं समझे कि हमें अपने बच्चों जितना ही औरों के बच्चों को भी प्यार करना चाहिए, बल्कि ज्यादा, अगर उनकी जरूरत ज्यादा हो। स्वराज का सफर लंबा है बेटे। वीर बनो, प्यार का दायरा बढ़ाओ। बहनों, धीरज रखिए, कुछ भी तो नहीं हुआ है। हाँ, अंग्रेज अपनी शाही छतरी छोड़ गए हैं, इसे खाली ही रहने दो। ये न किसी नेता को, न ही किसी देवता को शोभा देगी। इसका लालच छोड़ो, ऊपर वाले की नीली छतरी के नीचे सबके लिए जगह है। शून्य और पूर्ण एक है, यही सन्मति है। सत 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 सत